Hi and welcome to the start of a new Swiss watch brand. Back in March 16 in Bern, the capital of Switzerland, we founded Zahnd Kormann.
Hi, my name is Zahnd and that's Florian Kormann. Together we are Zahnd Kormann, living in the beautiful city of Bern, Switzerland. Surrounded by 200 years of traditional watchmaking, we would like to change the way how high-quality Swiss-made watches are sold nowadays. Come with us.
The clock tower of Bern, for example, is now ticking for centuries with just a difference of 2.1 seconds in 100 million years.
Inspired by history, we selected the legendary Swiss-made Etaval shoe with moon phase, chronograph and full calendar. The movement finds its place in a classically designed stainless steel case that perfectly suits for a contemporary dress watch.
Committed to tradition, it was clear from the very beginning that Zahnd Kormann watches shall bear the prestigious Swiss-made label. We believe in a world where Swiss-made automatic watches are getting affordable for more people. Unfortunately, Swiss-made does not only stand for highest quality and service. No, it also stands for highest prices. And we do think it's time to make a change.
We are kindly asking you to back our project, and you will get a watch that lasts for generations. Thank you very much for backing us.